Good day, good morning, good evening. Welcome everyone. How's it going? How do you feel today? Welcome chat, welcome great community. What's up, great fellas? Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to fly on Tuesday. Ready to hit that 200 grand giveaways. And of course, we do have a lot to share today, a lot to talk about. With the current market conditions, we're gonna find it out. We actually have a lot of the news. A lot of the news out here. In about 14 minutes. And then another round. With the manufacturing PMI. We got CPI this week. So there is a lot going on. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. This is where we're sitting. Filled up the entire gap. And then we started to push. Yep. This is the current context. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Good morning. Let's just share this with all the members, with all the communities. You can do the same. We're live. We're gonna trade today our YRM accounts. 150k instant funded. And then continue our journey with a Lucid. We have a 150k instant funded on Lucid. We have Lucid Flex. We activated 2 Lucid Flex accounts. You know, we passed yesterday 5 150k Lucid Flex challenges. This was an interesting level around the 65, 70s. If we can hold it, wouldn't be bad. Good morning, good evening. Thank you guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video. Good day, buddy. That's an interesting 1 minute reaction. And the 5 minute is not looking bad. We have a 300 points, exactly 300 points range from today's high towards today's low. On this account that I'm trading, I'd like to do just 150 bucks today, 369. Let me see that one exactly. What's the current performance? 369. So we have 4 days of trading. I'm not trading with the news up and down, not gambling them. I like to see the initial reaction and then obviously consider researching the price action. But no gambling with that. Need a couple of 150 bucks days, the minimum. You know, that's why a lot of the people love YRM. Because you only need 150 bucks a day for 10 days and you're ready for the payout. On any account size. So I'd like to collect about 3 to 4 days like that right now, bringing me to 7 of trading. With only 2 more, where I could actually see if we could make 400 or 500 bucks, a little more at that time. That's a really interesting 1-minute reaction. Let me just get back onto the platform. Really interesting 1-minute reaction. I'd like to long it on this side too.
Order filled.
Yep. Take profit right there, 265. If we hit that. And we will celebrate it, guys. So if we touch our 86, we're going to celebrate it. Stop loss and break even. I'm actually selling 2 contracts. And exiting fully, 135 profit. We still need to do another 15 bucks. Putting the stop loss and break even here for the Lucid. And I'm leaving the rest open for a nice runner. That's an interesting 5-minute price action. Really good. Could take it all the way into 304, 305. Look at that one, guys. Leaving it open for the moment. Yeah, news coming in a few minutes. Careful, guys, with the news. Careful with the YRM trading on the news. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. Do not open trades. If you have trades that are active, I'm out here.
Order filled.
1,200 on this side and 135 on the other side. But 1,200 here. Celebration time, guys. Celebration time. That's the name of the game to start off our great Tuesday. Boom. Look at that one. Look at that one. 1,200. You know what? And we're simply locking ourselves out. We're calling it a day here on the 1,200. It's not worth to have any temptation of giving it back. No. No risk of giving anything back from this 3 accounts of 150k that are instant funded. Yeah. Enjoying, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's pick up those numbers. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. A lot of the people got into the Lucid discussion, especially with our last video, guys. Come on. Lucid is the big boy. Still running there 40% off. No consistency and payout target on the funded stage. Think about it. No consistency on the funded stage. With the flex accounts. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. The ones we passed yesterday. Passing 5 accounts of 150k. They're not the cheapest. $220 each. But it is an account that is very valuable once you have it funded. So people go with the 50k or the 150k. These are the most popular choices, and that's why we actually made a video with a 27,000 bucks a month strategy for the Lucid. No need to build buffer on Flex. For the Lucid Flex accounts, you have 2 days minimum to pass your challenge, your evaluation. 2 days, because you got your 50% consistency. 100%, guys. Thank you. Nah. It's a different story with Apex. If you find something even cheaper than, you know, the YRM made in New York City, this is what we're trading with. My code is 44 bucks, no activation fee. 50% consistency as well. Challenge, 50 grand account, 44 bucks. Right, this one. Once you become funded, it is a big deal. News in a few minutes. I'm not opening trades on YRM. Make sure you do the same, right? So in the next 4 minutes, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, do not open trades. There is a 4 minutes window. If you got trades open prior to that, you can leave them without touching them during the window. News coming, no trades. Four minutes pause. You know, I had a pretty bad start yesterday. I would say so, with this direct accounts on Lucid. Pretty slow start. We gave back what we made on Thursday and Friday. We gave everything back. Our losses are pretty big. Should put my stop loss a little lower. Something I'm gonna do right now under the risk settings. Personal daily loss no more than 2,000. Liquidate and block me for the day if I get there. Right, 2,000 here. 2,000 on the other side too. Liquidate and block. I'll do that on all the accounts we have here. 2,000 liquidate and block. I don't want to cross that anymore. We would have saved about 1,600-700 in all the 3 losses if we would have cut our losses at 2,000. Think about it, guys. You can use all the minis existent. There is no scaling plan for the funded 50k YRM. You can use all the 5 minis when you get funded. We got news in a few seconds, guys. Careful with that. Unemployment, retail sales, core retail sales. There's a lot going on here. But make sure to like the video in the meantime. In order to participate. No restrictions on Lucid evaluations. No restrictions. $64K on non-farm employment change. Oh, market's reacting to the upside. We've got 50 points. Back to the daily opening. Back to the daily opening. Looks like the market is for the moment enjoying it. 0.4% core retail sales, much higher than expected. Unemployment rate 4.6, slightly higher than expected. Retail sales flat. The initial reaction is for the upside, so we got here 70 points already. I'm not getting your question, Destiny. Let me know your question once again. Daily net PNL, auto liquidation. We just made a new high. We got 100 points. Look at that one. We're out of the screen. We got 100 points movement with the news coming out. Market's enjoying. Market is realistically enjoying it. I'd like to open up my Quant Tower because we're trading the Lucid Flex accounts there. It's not going to be an easy momentum on pre-market holding that 100 points movement. There's going to be a bunch of volatility here. For example, I'm shorting a single contract on this one. Adding a little more to it. And that will have a little nice take profit there. Bring it down, baby. Come on. I only need $150 here. There you go. We made 470. We're going to celebrate, guys. That's a lot of the money for this account. 470 profit on our YRM. Day number 5 of trading. We have 3,500. No target. So 5 more days of 150 each. And we can do max payout. Yes. Giveaway a little later, but it's going to be today. A little later during the stream after the New York session starts. Good morning, welcome everyone. So, on DX feed, next to edit risk. Daily lockout. Yeah, that's the, you can lock yourselves out for the day. That's why volumetric web platform from the dashboard area, you can nicely do that. Even you can control your risk with a max daily loss, weekly loss. Yeah, we achieved the target, guys. I mean, look at that. Let me share with you. These are the days that we've traded. That's the net PNL column. We actually made money today 3 times more than I wanted to do with all that DCA I did. That's exactly 5 days. They're instant funded. We got 3,460 profit. I'm gonna keep some days at $150 minimum, and that's it. Right, so let's just go ahead and trade the next accounts that we've got here. This one, for example. Opening a contract here. Take profit there. Stop loss break even. Give it a go. Come on. We touched the break even. We got $15. No stress. No pressure. Go back in a short. Yeah, you got your drag and drop, so you can nicely use that. Target has been hit, guys. 210 bucks. I'm fine with that. I'm gonna lock myself out. So this is the account with 210, enough. Let me first lock myself here, where we earlier made 470. And then 210 daily lockout as well. Enough is enough. You need to know when to set your limits. It was day number 4 here. We certainly needed that, right? We need to accumulate the days. Then we might get to day number 7, 8. So if there is $600-700 needed at that moment, it's different for me to trade. I got more buffer. I'm way more comfortable with the situation. 2 or 3 more days needed to be trading, and I could accelerate at that point. And then we have another instant funded, which is a little bit hurt. Testing out a little short here with a take profit. Stop loss and break even. Let's go, guys. Beautiful take profit has been touched. $1,000. Look at that. $1,000. 1,020 bucks profit, guys. We're printing back and forth. 1,020 profit. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's pick up those numbers and sign up for the giveaways. 150k YRM instant funded. Boom. We definitely needed that. We also made yesterday 1,000 on this account. Great. There's no 10 seconds rule for the YRM. No 10 seconds rule. Yeah, there is. Oops. There is. Now, of course, I'm sorry. I made it wrong. There is. There is. For the YRM, there is. You can't base your strategy. That's the difference. You can't base your strategy by scalping few seconds only overs. You have to have this as exceptions, and in my case they're pretty much exceptions, but there is a 10 seconds rule. You're right about it. Was mixing it up with the flex accounts, but no. The great part is, if you are not basing your strategy around such trades and producing the majority of your money this way, you're fine, you're safe. If this is the way you're producing the majority of your money and you're basing your strategy like this, it's not working. In my case, there are exceptions. So I'm fine with that. Yeah, you're right. There are 10 seconds about it. Thank you, Danny Travels. Appreciate it. That's why we're printing, buddy. Great. Thank you. Lucid is not having 10 seconds. No 10 seconds. I was fixing my Quant Tower because we have here two accounts of Flex. We're not copy trading them. 150k Lucid Flex. This is the first day. We're not copy trading it. No consistency, no payout target. I'm trading this account alone. Actually open up the trade on the wrong account. Actually got in a trade on the challenge account that we've passed yesterday. Beautiful, right? Stop loss on a decent level. We got no consistency. We're gonna let the winners run. Yeah, no 10 seconds rule. For Lucid is the following thing. 50% of your profits needs to come from trades that you held at least for 5 seconds. Which platform can you select? Where you have a lot of the platforms in terms of opportunity. I'm out of this position here. $600 made, guys, on the first Lucid Flex account. $600 net profit. Look at that. $5.99. Celebration time. Profiting back to back. Big money made today all around. Boom. $600 made on the first ever Lucid Flex funded. So which platforms? Well, have a look into that. You have quite a lot. Let me share with you. Look at those ones. Those are the available platforms for the Lucid Flex. You can't do daily lockout on Quant Tower. I don't know about it. We're trading rhythmic data feed with Quant Tower. Alright guys, so let's just take it step by step. We've hit $1,200 for Lucid Flex 150k. Lucid Direct 150k, not Flexes on Project X. On Project X, we've got the Lucid Direct 3 accounts copy traded. We made 1,200. Let's just wrap up the things. Then we made 1,000 here on this account. We made 210 on this account. And we made 470 on this account. All the three 150k instant funded YRM accounts got to the target. All the three today. For the Flex accounts, you're not allowed to buy on Project X for the Flex accounts. But I think for the Direct, yes. So if you're buying Lucid Direct, you're still allowed to buy with Project X. Or if you're buying the Lucid Pro, which are the old model evaluations, you can still buy with Project X. Lucid Flex are not allowed with Project X. So $5.99 here. Testing out a little long. Yeah. Stop loss and break even. We're printing. Enable trading false. That's how you can lock out on Quantower. So go to account details and make enable trading false. I'm out here. 1,300 total profit, guys. Celebration time. Look at that one. 1,309 total profit. Celebration time. Fireworks bust. Boom. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's not bad, right? You got no consistency. You got no target. You can do whatever you want with this funded accounts. We're gonna dance, guys. We're gonna dance. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video. Come on. What's happening? Ho ho. So we've hit targets back and forth. Is it enough? 1,300 for the first day on the flex funded? What do you guys think about? Let me engage with the audience and ask the audience about. Alright guys, I've asked you a pool, come on. You can trade on mobile phone, yes, even tablet. I've asked you in the chat, a pool. Let me know what you guys think about. You can trade for YRM, yes. Volumetrica. So 1,309, this account specifically. I still have more accounts to trade, guys. I can print more, but I got other accounts too. I got another Flex account funded and activated. Because we have 3 instant funded and 2 coming from Flex. Totally 5. Thank you guys for joining. Now I think 1,300 is a lot. Right? So I'm gonna end the pool and the decision has been made. 54% voted to stop. So 46% would not stop. Now I can trade the other account, the second Flex that's funded, right? Let's trade the other, obviously. I still have accounts to trade, but certainly the one we made so much today in the first day, no point. Continuing. Let me see what's the risk of going lower. Is pretty high. Yeah. Good morning, welcome. Join our Discord community as well. So in order to participate the giveaway, listen to me guys. Yeah, 46% want to tell me. However, listen up guys. In order to participate the giveaway, you have to like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And then join my Discord. Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere for the highest discounts available. Testing a little long here. Because that reaction is not looking bad. And if it holds, could actually give us a movement above the 70s. Right? If this holds, could actually give us a movement above 70s. We're 3 minis. is now a small amount. Look at that. The whole move has been denied. I sold the contract. I accepted a partial loss. Price action. The movement here, the risk is for the 220s. $220s. Yeah. No, the giveaway has not been organized yet. It'll be a little later. We have a little demand at this point. Now, I'd like to see if it's sufficiently convincing. We accepted 360 partial loss. Not gonna DCA, it's dangerous. But the next 5 minutes would be nice to be a green candle. The next 5 minutes would be nice to be a green candle. Let's see. Now I have to change for that. Sitting on the wrong contract here for the Quant Tower. Been on the right contract for the other platforms, but on this one didn't change it, didn't realize. Price section is not looking good. Sold another contract, accepted another partial loss. Had to do it. We're gonna buy cheaper if the opportunity comes. No, we did December's futures as a little mistake. We're gonna switch that. Obviously, we're not supposed to do it. Bring it back, baby. We got an interesting 5 minute here. Look at that reaction, guys. 240s, yellow line. Delivers. Thank you so much for joining. We're having $200,000 giveaways today. And obviously trading a lot of the accounts, starting with Lucid, YRM, Volumetrica. It's quite interesting for volume trading. DCA'd here a little bit. You guys will hear what kind of giveaways we do. At the time we start them, we're not going to announce it from now. We're going to... We had a pretty decent reaction all the way to 76 on this candle. I'm going to long on my tap on futures a single contract here and a single contract here too. We're fine if it holds, otherwise I'm going to cut it away. Let's go. We just made that whole thing red. Look at that one, guys. Pretty interesting. Yeah. Good morning, welcome. Not adding anything to this one. Let's see what does the flat opening brings. The hourly. Let's see what is it gonna bring, guys. Give me a bit of a fresh air. Come on. A bit of a fresh air. A bit of a fresh air. $230. 36, another long contract here. If we get a chance to touch that.
Order filled.
Two contracts have been filled. We almost got into the weekly opening here, guys. Yeah. Weekly opening, which is pretty much matching up with the VWAP. So that's an interesting level. Look at that one. That's an interesting level where we could expect some bouncing. You'd expect some bouncing. We'll see. Looks great. Flat opening brought us a test of the weekly opening. Daily volume weighted average price right there, VWAP. Might get some algo purchasing going on here. A couple of green candles of 5 minutes in a row. We only need $500 here for my target, guys. That's it. We don't need more. Just about $500. We don't need more. Even though the markets could actually run higher. 535 for the target here. No, actually our 257 and we're out. Looks pretty much achievable. Stop loss break even.
Order filled.
Time to secure. We made the profit, guys. What about the other account we also traded? Oh, it's not looking bad. I'm out here
Order
for the
filled.
moment. 177. Right, 177. We're fine. Searching for an opportunity. And our flex account, we got stopped out here. We're down at 2 grand. I don't like this. We got stopped out on the move downwards. We're down at 2K. We got stopped out on that one. Let's see if we can do something. So here's the 5-minute representation. Certainly not looking bad. Any retest below the yellow line is heavy purchase from me. Is heavy repurchase from me. Yeah, well, this one is important, the $500 we made here. This is, you know, not the best month, but we still have 5,400 in the balance. Because last month was actually a lot better. And look for how long we've been trading this account. It's just insane. We've been trading this account since September. And their max loss was $2,000. So to have active accounts since September, 11th of September, with a drawdown of $2,000, isn't that good? No, it's a good day so far. We only have a $2,000 loss. And other than that, it's just profits back and forth, pretty much everywhere. And I'd like to still trade that 2 grand. Not giving up that quickly. Not giving up that quickly. The current contract is the drawdown is not following above the buffer. No. So the contract I got here right now, I switched to NQH6. Yeah. Big volatility today. So it's not a big deal moving around thousands. It's the fact that you need to have money to be able to move that. Ho, that's gonna be interesting, guys. I heard about their new plan. I think retail will lose money with that. You know why? Because of overtrading. I think retail will lose money with that because of the overtrading. And I think there's going to be a bunch of manipulation between the lines. Got into a long here, a contract. 2 contracts, buckle up for a continuation. So I think that's not going to really help the retail guy out there. Yeah, prop firms are going to make a lot more. Some traders will have a great time as long as they know how to control the whole process. So basically, in a nutshell, trading becomes harder because there is going to be attractions and more rules to be respected. Not sure how will it be counted for dailies. They have to decide, right? So prop firms will have to decide on that. Probably they will set a specific time. And we're going to respect that. Probably that's the way it's going to be. They're going to set a specific time. Yeah. It's not going to be an easy model for the retail guy. There's always going to be, you know, an incentive to trade. You got a bit of a free time, you get a bit of energy, or you get bored. You just open up the markets and you're trying to pass a challenge or stuff like that. And we all know how it ends up. You blow 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts and you reach at a price of an instant fund that it costs. Just because you were trading during, you know, such sessions, such timings in such an environment. It's not working, guys. It's still under discussion, so I think it's a perfect way for them to manipulate the markets. Easier. It's a perfect way. Got into 3 contracts here. Could be a flag, and they might hunt for a continuation, and we might be able to squeeze something out of this. You guys remember yesterday, we were down 3,500 bucks on our 150k YRM account. 3,500. We fully recovered that. I just don't want to be down 3,500 for this ones. And trying to recover, you know, it's not working daily. Buckle up. We have an interesting momentum here. The 1 minute could accelerate. And there's 18 minutes to go. Make sure to like the video, guys, to be able to participate our giveaway. Make sure to like the video. Trading our Lucid Flex accounts on Quant Tower. With DC at this level, we're sitting in 4 minis. Wouldn't be bad to touch the sky. Close to 300s. You know, the 5-minute looks decent. It's that red line, which, as you can see, for the past 3 candles of 5-minute, rejected us. That's the dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price, that red line. For the past 3 candles, it did rejected me. So that's the only thing I would be concerned about. I want to make sure the 255 holds here. Otherwise, I would have got to get out of this. This is not Savius, this is Lucid Flex, buddy. Lucid Flex. 150k, Lucid Flex. The ones we traded yesterday, and we got all the 5 funded. Usually a couple of minutes, or tens of minutes. Like, depends. Sometimes just a couple of minutes. Like, you know, there's cases where you get to see things instantly. Yeah, we got 2 activated. I don't like this 1-minute candle, honestly. So if it's failing here holding, I gotta get out. There is a risk basically of retesting levels around the 30s. And there is no way I'm gonna be in a trade. So if it's failing here holding, let me also... Not that attractive, guys, this price section. Let me share with you. 1 minute could actually give us a bit of
order filled.
Longing it here as well. A bit of relief movement, right? Let's get back to our flex accounts. Here we are. Yes. Yeah, we have a review for the YRM. Good move, guys. Just as expected. Come on, keep it going.
Order filled.
That's a lovely one. Stop loss break even. That's a lovely one. Let's just print some money, guys. All the way to the 300s. I am cutting a single contract here. Sell limit. No sell limit. I'll do a market order. For some reason. Look at that. Nasty rejection. We touched basically on tap on futures, by the way. We touched the target there. Let me share with you. Look at that. We touched the target on tap on futures. 540 bucks profit. The trade we opened earlier. But I don't like this nasty rejection. Oh my god. And I need the money from this trade. Right? You know, I have to sell 2 contracts. I sold 2 contracts. I'm putting the stop loss I'm out here. 900 bucks loss totally from 2,100. We're good to go with that one. We've recovered something, right? We're looking at. Or we're going to search for a better opportunity. Because of this reversed hammer we just had earlier. So that's a success, guys, we had here. And especially a success we had on the other side. 500 bucks. We're going to celebrate this. We made some good money with that, right? Boom. Big day, big numbers, and happy fireworks time. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. YRM is legit. A lot of the people got paid. $44 for the 50k evaluation. No activation fee. And the biggest thing out there. The biggest thing out there for the YRM. Instant funded with my code on 150k. You pay $450 instead of $540. So that's a $90 discount. Max 3 active funded. 90 bucks on each, 270 total discount. Scramble coupon code gives you 50%. How does this instant funded works? Well, you take the account and you just make 150 bucks minimum per day for 10 days. And you're good to go for the payout. Minimum 150 bucks for 10 days. And that's it, right? Think about it. Of course, 20% consistency as well. But you don't have a payout target. Like, you don't need to do 9 grand to take your payout or 7,500. You don't need to touch. You can make actually just 2% on the account size, like $3,000, and take your payout already. There's no payout target. It's just 10 days of 150 bucks minimum on any account size. Right? So that's just insane. The buffer is 100 bucks. $100. Some people got paid from Ticktick a couple of days ago. Well, they've been functioning like that since April. I saw the numbers and they're profitable. So probably they will set a specific minimum, right? Maybe, you know, 6,000 or 7,000 or whatever. At some point. But there's already people taking nice payouts. We have great fellas taking their second round of payouts. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Yeah. Plus 10 seconds. You got to focus on that 10 seconds for your trade, too. Yeah. Of course, there is a payout cap. 2,500 for the 150k instant funded. We nicely got out of the trade, guys, earlier. And the platform does 90 to 10 split. 90 to 10 split. Right, so 2,250. That's what you get. This is a pretty interesting context here. 8 minutes to go. And I think it's going lower from the price action standpoint. So I'm testing out a short here. Testing out a short. Adding another contract to this. Well, the 10 seconds rule. No, we're trading. We have great options. I don't like this push, guys, on the 1 minute. I might have to cut it out. I might have to cut it out. Look at a 5 minute candle here. I don't like that. I was thinking about seeing the price action back below the yellow line, but look at this, guys. They're totally denying. I don't like that. Yes, I am sure, but you do not need to abuse. I'm sure we talked about it on the stream. We've asked their support on the stream. With any other firms, including Lucid. No, we don't want to deal with them at all. We have much better choices, much better opportunities. We don't want to touch them, we don't want to deal with them. And we've got great deals for our community, so we don't want to practice them. I don't like the previous 1 minute candle at all, guys. At all. Having a difficult time enjoying that. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. 200k giveaways. We're gonna organize them today. Give me that move below 55. That's what I want to see, guys. Below 55, which is why I got into the shorts. Below 55. That's an interesting move. That's an interesting move with a 5-minute algo. All the way to 240s. 241, that's an interesting level. Ah, come on. Let's just bleed till the opening. Got an interesting idea. 4 minutes short. Looking for the bleeding till the opening, if we get it. I'm gonna, yeah. It's flying. Unstoppable, guys, on the gold side. From 300s, quickly managed to fly into 360s in a few hours. It's just, you know, very strong. Come on, keep the pedal pressing the pressure. I'll have to go break even on the stop loss there. Yeah, I'm break even on the stop loss there. And I'm letting this one nicely perform a nosedive. Keep going, guys. Come on. Keep going. Ah. Keep going. Keep going. That's a lovely 1 minute closing we had. Smelling for continuation. Keep going, guys. Keep going. I'm not selling anything. If this candle turns green, I'm selling 2 contracts. Actually didn't sold. Now let me sell two. Oh, ho, ho. Let me sell 2 contracts right now. And let me fully exit here. 1,377 profit from 2,500 loss. Look at that. 1,377 profit from 2,500 loss. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. We are printing. We are printing and making big money out there. Oh my God. And the other Flex account has 1,309. And this one has 1,377. After we had 2,500 loss. So basically 2 Flex accounts that are funded. Made 1,300 on the first day. $539 here, Tap 1 Futures. $529 here, another account. Tap 1 Futures. 1,200 on 3 accounts instant funded, Lucid Direct 150K. And all the 3 accounts on YRM profit, 150K instant funded. 470 on one, 1,020 on the other, and 210 on the other. Hitting my targets. Right, so we traded 3 accounts here, 3 accounts here, that's 6, 2 accounts in Tap 1, that's 8, and 2 accounts on Quantower Lucid Flex, that's totally 10. 10 out of 10 profit today. $10 out of 10 profit. Boom, boom. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Celebration time. This is a fireworks show. It's not a trading show. It's a fireworks show. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Yeah. Careful with a lot of the scam messages on Discord. Just avoid every... Oh! We got the market opening and we're celebrating. 30 seconds ago, the market opened. And we just pumped 70 points. We had a much better things to do. Thank you, guys. So look at that. You know what I'm going to trade right now? I'm going to trade some Savius accounts. I'm going to trade some Savius accounts in a wild way. In a wild way, guys. Looks like my subscription is not active there. Let's just trade some Trade-Evade. You know, we got some Trade-Evade going around here. These are Tap 1 Futures Sim Pro accounts for Trade-Evade. Keep going, buddy. Scrambos and fire. I'm out for the moment. Decent profit. 409. 409, decent profit. Guy into a little short. I just DC8. And I'm out. 635 profit. 635. We're copy trading 3 accounts. Simpro, Tap 1 Futures. Right? Scramble coupon code gives you the biggest discounts for the Tap 1 Futures too. And we got this accounts for TradeAway. Not really a platform that I'm trading pretty often. Yeah, Tap 1 Futures got TradeAway, got Ninja, TradingView. Look at that. Tap 1 Futures sorted it out. They got everything right now. So they fixed it. Probably they're going to get some Rhythmic at some point. And it's going to be a decent alternative. Testing out a little long here. We're making good money with it, right? We're putting a stop loss on break even, slightly above. And we're letting this one run. Your stop loss has been avoided. We got lucky with that. These are micros that we're trading. Yeah, break even has been touched. Well, I'm just, doing left click and put a stop loss from there. Left click on the chart, adding to opening a trade actually here, testing it out. Could be a nice level for a push. This could be a decisive level for a push here, guys. Yeah, we're risking with that sizing, but it's a decisive level. Added a little more to this. We had a good chance there to continue. Adding to this here. Beautiful. Sold some contracts. I'm selling.
Order filled.
I actually sold quite a lot. Right? Yeah, you just left click and you put a sell stop, for example, if you have a long. So we have 2,400 PNL here profit. It's too much for the consistency, guys. And we're trading here micros. So you can make a lot of the money with micros as well. This is too much for my consistency. 2,500. But let's just leave the trade open. Put a... No. It's interesting. Scrambo is on fire, guys. Scrambo is on fire. Prop firmers getting terrified. Good morning. Thank you so much, guys. So that's going to be 13 out of 13 accounts profit. If we, I mean, we clearly made money here as well. Can you hear me? I think the sound is not off. Put a stop loss there. We got to the daily opening and we got rejected on that. No surprise. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much. We've got the manufacturing PMI and services PMI in 6 minutes to go. Not gonna DCA. Yeah. So you can make a lot of the money even with micros. Don't worry about it. Especially after the New York session starts, obviously you need to sit in micros. It's obvious, right? This would be an interesting spot here to give it a try. No, that's great. 88,500, just hold it. BTC could actually have a temporary bottom.
Order filled
here, guys. And I'll put a break even there. I'll put a break even there. We've DC'd here for a possible bouncing on the 300s.
Stop filled.
No. However, we have 1,900 profit. We don't need that much because of the consistency, right? And this is top 1 futures, so have to make less. Probably about maximum 1,000. So I still have the ability, and I still need actually to lose $900 from here, right? Look at a lovely drop. Bring it into 240s. I'm shorting this
Order
for 240s.
filled.
Let's see if I get something like that. Or there's going to be a total buyback here.
Order filled.
240s, come on. Keep pressuring, buddy. 240s. We got here our daily wave up. Keep going. I'm out.
Order filled.
We made some money, about 130 bucks. Oh, 6,000 today. Congrats. Is it down again? Look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Got into a little long here. And And we'll grab some more. If needed. I'm on trade of it here with this account. But Project X looks good for me here on tap 1. You know, I'm locked out on Lucid, which is why you might not be able to see the details. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We have 13 out of 13 accounts profit today. Everything we traded made money. Everything.
Order filled.
$13 out of 13. A minute for the news. A minute for the news. Are we going to take it all the way back 350s with the news? I need to lose like $900 in this trade because of consistency. 45 seconds. Careful, guys, with the news out there. Back to the daily opening. Wouldn't be bad. 350s. So happy that we recovered from a $2,500 loss on a Lucid Flex, not only recovering what we brought it to 1,300 profit. So the first day on the funded Lucid Flex ended up to be 1,300 profit on both, traded separately, totally separately. We did not copy trade it. So happy about that one, guys, because you got no consistency and that money is so valuable. So let's see, how does the market react with the news here?
Order filled.
To this. You know, we can lose $900 for the consistency and still be fine. So I'm not really worried.
Order filled.
Even if it's a little more than $900. Yeah, we're locked out for the day on all the other accounts, but in this one we can lose. We made more on this ones. Let's see, we touched that orange line. Yeah. Let me DCA here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And see how we run from here back to the top. Come on. All the way to the daily opening, guys.
Order filled.
Run it up for me.
Order filled.
We've DCA'd a lot into this. That's a lovely reaction all the way back to 350s. Push, baby. Keep going. Yeah. Look at that. It's not looking bad, right? $87 totally on 3 accounts. So you want to divide that value by 3 because we're copy trading 3 accounts. We're making money, guys. Look at that. Let's sell something. Right?
Order filled.
We sold something.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
350 is the daily opening. Previous supply. 345, 346 actually. But with a powerful movement, we could actually get past that, right? Now, we made a lot more than needed. We have 6,600, right? Look at that. 6,700 today. We don't need that much. We got to do something. I'm still leaving it open, guys. So one of the accounts is no longer copy trading, or what's happening here? We have an active trade. This way. Maybe you're able... Yeah, you're able to see it nicely this way. Much better this way, guys. Yep. Spot on. Cody's usually taking 2-3 minutes. I'm not selling it yet. You know, if I close this, we're gonna have so much money made. You know, guys, these are accounts for the Top 1 Futures, Simpro accounts, with 20%. How do I respect the 20%? 7,000 times 5 is 35, right? I gotta do 35 grand if I leave the day like this. But that's an interesting challenge, right? For example, yeah.
Order
exit
filled.
out of everything. We fully exited out of everything. Look at that one. So this account has 6,692 profit. Let's just celebrate before we talk about other things. Boom. This account has 6,975. For some reason is a little bit different, but we were copy trading it. And this account is 975 as well. Lovely movement, guys. Hope you monetize it. Hope you had the ability and the opportunity to monetize it with me, guys. Yeah, only with micros, 7 grand. Yep. So 13 out of 13 profit today. 13 out of 13. Boom. Market's nicely pushing. Nicely. BTC is going to get above today's high. Quite soon, I guess so. And we're getting ready, guys. We're getting ready. Yeah. We're getting ready for the giveaways. So we traded everything today. YRM, Lucid, Lucid Direct accounts, Lucid Flex accounts that are funded first day. Very proud of that. We had here an account where we made sufficient, right? This one, 470, it's already day number 5. It's already day number 5. Actually 5 more days to go. That's good money. Trying to do like 3 days of $150 and then leave the rest of the 2 days existent for maybe some more. We'll see. I mean, I got 995 my highest day, 995 times 5 to find out what's my 20% consistency. 4,975. That's how much I need. 4,975, that's 5 grand. We have 3,460. So we'll still need to do 1,550. Divided to 5 days, it's actually 310 per day. And we go max payout plus respect the consistency. On the YRM. Yeah. Interesting rejection, guys. Ho-ho. It's not easy to trade today. It's not easy. Great. So we're getting ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We're getting ready for the giveaways. We're getting ready. Let me see how many of you did you join. Keep in mind, we had a lovely video with a lot of the great reactions. 27 grand a month. 27 grand a month. Posted a video about it. 208. Join the giveaway. 208. That's a good number. You'll have to listen up, guys. Slowly, we're getting ready. You'll have to listen up. So, how to join? How to join the giveaway? Should be one of your questions. First, you gotta sign up on the form. Then, like the video, guys. Time for everyone to like the video. Yeah, we got yesterday accounts too. Be subscribed to my channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, educational materials, a great community, and a lovely time out here with giveaways every single day. And then join my Discord, right? So these are the 3 things you gotta do, plus to be part of the form of the giveaway for today. That form is fresh every single day. So the first giveaway, should not be delayed. It's the first time we are hearing that today. Should not be that delayed. Paul, Kamara, you should be fine. We have 200. Let me verify right now. We got more than 200 people that have joined. We had 208, and now we're having 216 that have joined. So the first giveaway, we're going to share 2 accounts. Both instant funded. I just wrote you in the chat. The first giveaway will have 2 accounts. We're going to give out 2 accounts for the best 2. Tap 1 futures, 25K. End of the day drawdown, tap on futures, 25k Ignite accounts, right? So 2 accounts in the first giveaway, both instant funded, tap on futures. Listen to the numbers and watch the way I'm going to organize them. It's going to be pretty unique, so you got to focus. We're going to have 5, number 5. 10 zeros. So 5 number 5, 10 zeros. 1 number 1, 2 number 2, and 3 number 3. That's the way we're going to organize this. Take your time and let me know what you think about it. You can start right now. Let's go, guys. Make sure to guess between my starting command and ending command. Thank you so much, guys. Best of luck. 5 number 5, 10 zeros, 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3. That's the ratio we've got. That was a lovely day. 13 accounts out of 13 total profit. That was just incredible. Especially one of the accounts on its first day from minus 2,500, we brought it back. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Okyo. A single guess per person. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle them and spin the wheel. We're gonna shuffle them and spin the wheel. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Best of luck, guys. We're sharing 2 accounts in this giveaway. 2 accounts. Tap on futures, $25,000 end of the day drawdown, and $25,000 Ignite. Both instant funded. Will that number 5 on green, are we going to stop there? That number 5 on green? Or do we go with the number 3 right here with a yellow? That's going to be pretty close, guys. Look at that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at a paddle, guys. Look at a paddle. I just couldn't stop it earlier with my paddle. Oh my gosh. And a lot of you went for the number 3. That's crazy. We just got the paddle running nicely. Number 5. Congratulations for the winners. $69 winners. Look at that one. You guys are going to compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds. We'll shuffle you. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. 1 minute and 30 seconds. No way, guys. No way. Look at that one. Come on. Keep it going. 1 minute to go here. We're the best of ducks. It was an incredible day. When you have 13 out of 13 accounts, when you recover from a $2,500 loss, you bring it to a profit of $1,300. I know, Maddie. It's not easy to find your names between 69 fellas. You might not be Vortex. I can see you. Somewhere around the middle, Vortex. You're a midfield. Top 2 wins. Right? Best 2. Come on. 5 seconds to go. Who's gonna... NPC world is speeding up, but it's too early. Not good. We got a British word. Number 62. Paulo, Brazil. You got this. Paulo. And crypto game codes. Paulo, Brazil. And crypto game codes. Congratulations, guys. Time to find it out if you have signed up on the form. Time to find it out. We're gonna zoom in. Right, so we're gonna take it one by one. Paulo, Brazil. There you go. Are you here with us? Yes, congratulations, Paulo. Congratulations. You have 25k Tap 1 futures, end of the day drawdown. This is your account. And then our crypto game codes. Crypto game, are you here? Yes. Crypto game codes as well. Congratulations, buddy. 25,000 Tap 1 futures. Ignite account, both instant funded. Obrigado. Good job. Good job. Winners, you gotta reach out to me on Discord. We are continuing. So we shared $50,000. Time to switch the numbers around. For those of you that have joined late, subscribe, like the video, and be part of our Discord. Second giveaway. $50,000 Lucid Pro account. Second giveaway, 50 grand Lucid Pro. Let me just share with you how we're gonna do it. 10 zeros. 3 number 1, 3 number 2. 10 zeros, 3 number 1, 3 number 2. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Once again, 10 zeros, 3 number 1, 3 number 2. Let's see. Keep in mind, we got a pedal right below the desk from where we adjust the speed of the wheel. Yes. Keep in mind. So trying to connect yourselves to the pedal to see the outcome. Might be a heavy pedal, might be a light one, might get into service, revision. You got to connect yourselves. Heavy pedal out there. Stop. No more guesses. No more guesses, guys. Stop. No more guesses. We're gonna shuffle. This is a lovely way. Time to spin. And go for the best. Good luck, everyone. Best of luck. We just passed through 5 zeros right now. We just passed through those 5 zeros. That's not going to be the zeros. It's going to be one of those double 2 we have at the top. The red one or the yellow one. But that's going to be the red number 2, guys. That's going to be the red number 2. There you go. There you go. Pick the best winner out there. That's going to be the red number 2. Look at that one. We just passed through the zeros. We had those 5 connected. And we didn't touch. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's go. Number 2. Let's see, guys, how many of you got it to the right place. Let's find it out. How many of you got it to the right place? 59. So 59. Trust the pedal more than the mathematical numbers. 59. We'll compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Congratulations. Shuffle, and you're good to fly. 50 grand Lucid Pro account. This is the second giveaway. We're going to have one more giveaway. Look at the Massimiliano. It is pushing. But that's not a good sign. You got to keep it back. Nah. Who's dominating right now is never winning. You don't want to see your name right now on the screen, guys. You want to be somewhere on the side, on the green field. Having a nice grill there. Take your time. The business lens. Take your time. Don't push. "30 seconds. Someone is blocking you. Move out of the way. Come on. Move out of the way. Who's gonna win, guys? There's gonna be some dirty games out here in the last 10 seconds. Some really dirty. Look at that. Beyond tomorrow, I got a pedal. I'll stop you out. There you go. Martin is coming through. With a number 20. Martin is coming through. And there you go. Martin is actually the winner. Hey, congratulations, Martin. You got this. You got this. You are ready for an intervention. Hey, Martin, congratulations. Look at that. Oh my god. We're gonna verify. Let's see. Did you sign up, Martin? Did you sign up? Martin Berker, there you go. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats, Martin. You've been with us for many, many months already on the stream. You were not stopped beyond tomorrow. That's just a joke. You were not stopped. It's just a joke, right? We know that the one that is leading in the last 6-7 seconds, the one that's leading is always stopped by the system. By the way this thing is working, by the way the game is working. It's not me stopping you. It's always the same pattern. It's a template. The best duck that's leading when there's 7-8 seconds is always stopped. It's the way it is. It's not done by me. I don't have that pedal, guys. Congratulations. So... Now, let's just think about it, because the last giveaway is the last giveaway. Cheers, buddy. Cheers from Munich. Dankeschön. Bitteschön. Dankeschön and bitteschön. So, let me think about how does the next giveaway is going to be. Let me think about. Give me a moment here. Let me think about. So the third giveaway will be the last. And we will... So how much did we share so far? We shared 50k from Tap1Futures in 2 accounts. 50 from Lucid, that's 100. Which means we're going to share right now $100,000. So how do we share 100 grand? 2x 50k YRM. Think about that one. 2 accounts, 50k YRM. That's going to be pretty hot, guys. Pretty hot. Pretty hot. 2 accounts of 50k YRM. But listen up to the numbers. Listen up to the numbers and do not start writing unless you see in the chat my command. 10 zeros. Only one number 1, one number 2, one number 3, one number 4, one number 5. So 10 zeros and only one number 1, one number 2, one number 3, one number 4, one number 5, you're good to go. You can start right now. You can start right now. If you're guessing before my starting command, just rewrite your number. 10 zeros, and then we have a single number from 1 to 5. Thank you so much, guys. It was one of the best sessions with 13 accounts profit, a lot of the money made. And a great recovery as well. So we had but there was a guy at the beginning of the stream that after the first 2 trades reached out on chat and said we're gambling. We should stop gambling because we're going to lose today. Nice from him to let us know, right? Nice from him to inform us how the day is going to be and what we're doing, because we were uninformed that we're gambling. So I'm glad such gambling plays out in the way it plays out. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. Stop right there. We're issuing 2 accounts, and we're gonna shuffle this boys out here. You know, guys, so let me share with you. So we've got 4 zeros here connected. But if we don't touch this specific segment of the wheel, you know, there's huge chances on the rest of the segment to touch something else than 0. You clearly see that, right? It's just double zeros here, but all the other situations are different. Are 50-50. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. The ones that join late are not gonna be on the list. Careful, guys. So we passed through the 4 zeros, but we got that double zeros coming up, and we might stop on the yellow one. Yeah, it's gonna be the zeros. Congratulations for the winners. It's gonna be the zeros. Congrats for the winners. A huge chance right there. It's the zeros right there. Very close to the yellow one. Look at that. And we touched the yellow one. But keep in mind, that could have been a different number. And you would have said again, it's rigged. Keep that in mind. That yellow 0 could have been a different one. So let's just do this way. If we are more than 110, I don't know at the moment how many, didn't check. If we are more than 110, we're going to take the best 3 and go with them second round. And out of that best 3, 2 will win. But we got to be at least 110 on the winners list. Let's just find it out from Badger. Let's just find it out. 52. Oh my God. We're only 52, guys. That's crazy. We're just 52 winners. Look at that. That's pretty disappointing. So you guys are going with all the other numbers that are extremely small chances. Right? You guys enjoy gambling. This one will compete 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Shuffle. Good to go. Everyone else gambled, right? It's just about 50 and so. We're having 2 accounts. 2 accounts. So the top 2 will win. Top 2 will win. Big sale. Looks like I still have to change a banner there. Tap on futures is no more Black Friday promotion. Gotta change that banner. Cheers, everyone. Come on. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ajala. Pichimolja. Oh, I can see your name, Quantum. You got a purple duck. Martin Birkin, look at the top. Martin is here. I mean, you could say it's pretty obvious with the zeros out there. If you wrote your number between the start and ending command, you're here. Some of the ducks are not on the screen. Only if you wrote it between the start and ending command, you are certainly on the list. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Let's go. 30 seconds. You don't have to speed yet. Leave it for the last 8 seconds. Look at that. We got the waters separating. Rick with a Superman is going to get stopped out. Rick, we're pressing the pedal. Look at that. Rick, come on, press the pedal, guys. Pedal didn't work. Pedal didn't work. Rug Nation. We got a winner out here, Rug Nation, and then Rick. So one of the few times when pedal didn't work to stop the leader out. Rug Nation and Rick. We got these 2 guys out there winning. But the third one and the fourth one could actually hope. Let's see Rugged Nation. Let's just confirm. Are you here? Rugged Nation, you're not here. Rugged Nation. Let's just try this way. You're not here, Rugged Nation. Oh my god, what's happening? Rugged is not here. Rugged Nation is not here. Look at that. You haven't signed up for the giveaway today, buddy. Rugged Nation. Look at that one. You need to utilize your YouTube username. That's how we verify you. Rugged Nation #1. Yeah, but you have to be here. He's been rugged. Look at that one. No, wait, Martin. We gotta, let's see to the Rick Manning. Rick. Are you here, Rick? Yes, congratulations. Good job, Rick. You have to register. And of course, unfortunately, you've missed. Rugged. You missed your chance. We're going to the third guy. Mulja. Peachy Mulja. Are you here? Yes. Congratulations. Hey. So we got Rick and Mulja. Look at that one. Congratulations. The second one and the third one are actually the winners. Rugged Nation did not fill up the form. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Yesterday's giveaway is here as well between the ones we did. We shared today basically 5 accounts. Instead of 3, we've shared today 5 accounts, and we're going to share more as well in the upcoming days. A lot more. 5 accounts today, totally 200 grand. So that's the name of the game. What's happening on Nasdaq here? Why is it so ugly? Yesterday high. We just got stuck at the same level, guys, with the Nasdaq on the 400s. And now we're back to the yellow line. There is a magnet around that one. Yep. In the meantime, gold is enjoying its ride. What a lovely moment. Thank you once again, guys. Scramble coupon code for maximum discount. Reach out on Discord for any other situation. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely time, lovely day. Wish you peace. Careful.